I am Ryan Veldhuizen, and I'm with Veldhuizen Farms LLC out of Edgerton, Minnesota. We raise approximately 30,000 head of hogs annually, as well as farm about 2,000 acres of cropland. Just about every single building that we use is merged together, via the internet, via high-speed connection. More and more bandwidth and more speed was needed. It just wasn't cutting it anymore, and it got to be unreliable. We finally had enough and started searching for other options, and that's when Woodstock came to the surface.
My name is Justin Kershell. I work with Chandler Feed Company. We are a grain and feed manufacturing facility. We have 3 different locations. Our locations spread from right about 15 miles apart. We run a live scale program that ties back to our server here in Chandler. The server and those scale heads need to be talking all the time, and when you get a delay, once in a while either your weights won't be right or it's just goofy. You had to wait just a little bit and it wasn't productive and it wasn't efficient. We had several different communication companies that we were working with. Our connectivity between the 3 locations was hit and miss at times. When we came on board with Woodstock Communications and developed a fiber line, a direct connection to our locations, the problems went away.
My name is Ben Humphrey. I'm with Finley Engineering Company. I'm the general manager of this location. We interface with a number of our customers across the upper Midwest in transferring large amounts of data in the way of mapping information. Data transfers were taking 2, 4, 6 hours. That's time lost in the field because that individual's laptop or computer is tied up during that data transfer. They can't work. The solution with Woodstock bringing a fiber directly into the business is, we have virtually unlimited capability as far as bandwidth, that we can now transfer that data much more quickly, much more efficiently than we could before.
Because of the internet connection and the connectability that we have, we're able to utilize resources from all over the United States and accurately and in real time send data back and forth. You're going to need to depend on a certain amount of speed and a certain amount of reliability in order to make that function. We're able to grind feed remotely. It's a fully automated process. You can program everything into the mill and then monitor it as you're going down the road. Say you got a business meeting or something like that you need to be in. Basically what it allows you to do is stretch your workday out without actually being at work.
What Woodstock Communications allowed us to do was develop our network with a direct tie to other locations. Basically what it meant was our other locations, which are 10 miles away, feels like they're in the same room as far as speed and connectivity. There's no drag time. They all run on the same local area network, and it's like you'd be sitting across from me, sitting across a desk on your laptop, no different than them being 10 miles away. That's how nice it is. If the internet does go down, our business does not. Our internal network amongst our locations stays running. Our CEO of the company has stated many times that we should have done this years ago. The flow and just not having the headaches to deal with the network all the time, it's solid. The end users have all been very impressed with the service. It's been flawless for 2 years straight.
It's been very good, very stable. No issues with it at all.
The all-around service paid for itself and probably, for sure the first calendar year. And if we were to spread it out, it would probably be in the first 6 months. The payback was that quick on it.
I would say within less than a year, we will recover the cost of the service being put in here.
Woodstock Communications has been a company that we've been very pleased to work with. I would say they're a very reputable company. Again, we are just very fortunate to have them as our service provider, and it's been truly very good to work with them.